Good afternoon, Wednesday, 29th of April 2020. 2.5 minutes to US cash open, and we have to make standing ovation. Standing ovation for Reuters. Guys, that's the standing ovation for Reuters. Yes, why is that? Well, during the moment of the US GDP announcement, Reuters, US advanced Q1 GDP plus 4.8, consensus minus 4. And of course, that was corrected to minus 4.8. But you know, algo reacted into the first number. Again, standing ovation. We are manipulated every day. If you remember first negative weekly jobless claims reading and the Fed manipulation at the same time, right? Well, don't get me wrong. I'm not complaining. I'm trying to explain what is going on, why the volatility is higher, why we should have lower exposure to survive in that jungle, right? At the same time, we get the information in relation to the coronavirus vaccination test. Guild says at least 52% of the people taking remdesivir was discharged from hospital after 14 days of treatment. At least 53% of those reported as a reaching clinical recovery. That's the positive news. But overall, we had another manipulation. Everything was put at the same time. So again, guys, be very, very careful. Extremely careful when you are trading these days and you wanna trade some news announcement. All right. So let's have a look where we are at the beginning of the US cash session. Let's have a look where we are post GDP ahead of the FOMC when it comes to the dollar. Without the further delay, let's try to check few charts. Okay, ladies, gents, we are going to check DJ today, and we are going to monitor first 5-minute trading range when it comes to the DJ. No change on my side. Medium term, long term, bearish for now. And don't forget that you can monitor my exposure. You can check live what I'm doing. Well, the latest spike to the upside. At some point, you know, it might be the day I'm gonna be forced to say, well, I've been wrong. Not yet, right? So that's what we are going to have it here. Oh, geez, we need 5 minutes. All right. Anyway, attempt to closing the gap. I'm not so surprised. We might see the market is going to close the gap here. Don't forget, guys, there is more manipulation coming in later today during the FOMC announcement. All right. Lower liquidity. Only US guys are gonna be around. That's gonna be that's gonna be quite interesting what's going to happen. So let's have a look where we are over the course of the first 5-minute trading range when it comes to the indices. In the meantime, let's check what is going on when it comes to the dollar yen. First FX trading pair we are going to discuss today, and in that case I'm looking to sell. That's the only dollar cross right now I'm looking to sell, and I'm looking to sell if we are going to see retest of Monday low, right? I'm going to sell. We have the positive GDP, of course, joking. So I'm looking for a retest of 107, maybe 107.50. So, you know, some kind of the manipulation going on post GDP, post FOMC press conference. We will see, right? So what I'm looking for is either taking out daily high, retest of Monday low, right? That's what we see here, right? Or there is a one more level, this time from the intraday perspective. So for the spike, it might be even better to try to trade that one. Levels a little bit higher, close to 107.50, right? So the rally, yesterday rally towards the end of the day, and 2 days ago, and yesterday high. So when it comes to the spike, when it comes to the, you know, cleaning the stops to the upside, that could be very interesting, as long as we are not gonna to get double day close, especially consecutive double day close back above 107.50. I'm staying bearish. The first target for the dollar yen, in my opinion, is somewhere around 105.20, 105. So again, anything spike around 107, 107.50, that's where I'm going to try to build some short position when it comes to the dollar yen. Let's have a look where we are. We didn't move lower. It might be, well, you know, if we have good imagination, well, we might see some kind of the possible head and shoulder formation being built. We'll see. Very interesting. 15 seconds left, so we are going to have negative first 5-minute trading range. At least that's how I see. Well, algo needs like 5 seconds to clean that to the upside. Yeah, but looks like it's gonna be negative first 5-minute trading range. All right. So let's get back to the higher time frame. Yesterday high been cleaned. Yeah, the cash open around that high. So that could be the key here. So let's place the line. The zone. That's gonna be very interesting. That's gonna be very interesting where we are closer to the first 30 minutes, or then maybe closer to first 1 hour. I think because of this rejection, that's gonna be influence the market, right? But wait, don't be in a rush. In that case, you wanna see this type of the move. You wanna see some cleanings, some intraday lows, intraday demand, then retest, and then eventually, from the intraday perspective, you may want to try to join. The short side. All right. Now, so we know where we are when it comes to the DJ. We know where we are when it comes to the dollar yen. Let's have a look euro dollar from the intraday perspective. Still, in my opinion, we are not done yet to the downside. All right. I have two levels. Latest weakness. It's below 108 towards 107.70. All right, 107.70, or a little bit higher. There is a possible demand around 108, 108.05. Right. So those two I see as the possible as the possible demand. Here to the upside, as you can see, either we are going to look for the stops above today's swing high, intraday swing high, or we are going to make retest some over under towards 109, right? As long, guys, as long as we are below 110, I'm negative, I'm bearish when it comes to the euro dollar. It's gonna be very interesting to see where we are when it comes to the London fix, right? And where we are post FOMC. You know, there are plenty of rumors that dollar is gonna be sold because of the rebalancing when it comes to the end of the month. But you know, this type of the rumors usually are provided for by those who, you know, on the wrong side. That's what happened from time to time, right? Anyway, rallies towards over under or rejection somewhere here with the stops above yesterday high. That's where I'm going to try to join still short side. And finally, let's have a look at what we have when it comes to the cable. There you go. Here, all right, based on the very similar price action to what we've seen on the euro dollar. All right, so this is same in size, right? So let's have a look when it comes to the bounces. So that's the thing number one, the same size. So you know what's the drill, and probably we are going to be able to try to trade some kind of the downside channel. So I'm looking to reject somewhere here the latest trend. We are talking about the levels close to 24.70. Not looking to buy cable here, not looking to buy cable before we hit 22.20 first, if not 120. Then from the intraday perspective, I may look for a buying opportunity, but still I see lower levels for cable. So that's it from me. Let's final look where we are when it comes to the indices. Where is my DJ? Where's my DJ? Yeah, there you go. Staying below the important levels, we'll see again. Just the friendly reminder: you have to wait for some levels to give up and then rally back. That might be your selling into the rallies eventually. Stay safe, guys. Don't be trapped. Don't forget FOMC. Lower liquidity, higher manipulation possibility. That's the world we are living in. Have a great one, guys, and see you around. Take care and goodbye.